And the news is that a petition has been filed in the Election Commission seeking immediate action on BJP leader Suresh Rana for his hate speech against Muslims ahead of the upcoming polls in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Congress, in fact, has filed a complaint in the Election Commission, calling it a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. During his poll campaign in Uttar Pradesh's Shamli, BJP MLA Suresh Rana said that Deoband will celebrate if he loses the election.
मैंने केवल इतना कहा है कि जो गुंडे हैं, जो भय पैदा कर रहे हैं, जहां उनकी कहीं ना कहीं उनकी गुंडागर्दी का आज आलम है देखने लायक, वो सारे के सारे उनको यहां से पलायन करना पड़ेगा और जब वो पलायन करेंगे तो कर्फ्यू तो लगेगा ही।
Okay, that was what Suresh Rana had to say earlier on, and then the clarification that he gave. A few more reactions coming in. Let's listen to those.
देखिए, हमारा चुनाव घोषणा पत्र जारी हुआ है। अमित शाह जी ने अधिकृत रूप से, मौर्य जी ने अधिकृत रूप से घोषणा पत्र जारी किया है और उस घोषणा पत्र में जो तथ्य समक्ष हैं, जो बातें वो सब विकास से जुड़ती हैं और पार्टी किसी व्यक्ति के बयान को अपना अधिकृत बयान नहीं मानती है। और आजकल राजनीति में बहुत लोग अपने मन से बयान देते हैं, तो मैं समझती हूँ इसे कोई पार्टी का या भारतीय जनता पार्टी का बयान न समझा जाए।
Okay, so those were the comments made by the UP BJP Vice President. He did issue a clarification later on, but the news is that a petition has been filed in the Election Commission seeking immediate action on him for the kind of hate speech he made against Muslims ahead of the polls in the state of Uttar Pradesh. I'm going to go straight across now to India Today. Shiv Poojan Jha for more on this. Shiv Poojan, so tell us a little bit more about this petition that has been filed on behalf of the Congress in the Election Commission. And one can expect such provocative statements to be made by people and by leaders like him, who's not really a stranger to controversy. Shiv Poojan, can you hear me? Okay, we are having a bit of an audio issue today. We'll just fix that as well. The Congress has filed a complaint in the Election Commission calling it a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. These are the statements that was made. We just played out that bite for you. What really the BJP MLA Suresh Rana had to say is, and I quote him here, that if I win, curfew will be imposed in Kairana, Deoband and Moradabad. We're just going to play that soundbite once again for you and the clarification that was issued by Suresh Rana later on.
कर्फ्यू लग जाएगा मित्रों। और यदि मैंने मार दिया तो हरियाणा में, देवबंद में, मुरादाबाद में कर्फ्यू लग जाएगा मित्रों।
I'm going to go straight across now to Mr. Shehzad Poonawalla from the Congress. Sir, thanks so much for speaking to us. We just played out, the soundbite of the BJP MLA Suresh Rana and the clarification that he issued thereafter. Why is it that, despite the clarification, you have still gone on to file that petition in the Election Commission?
Well, the clarification does not cut any ice.
Yes.
First of all, the comment was loaded with innuendos against a particular community. Mr. Suresh Rana has a history of being involved in communal activities. He's a charged person in the Muzaffarnagar riot.
Yes.
And this is the charge as the chair of the BJP. Do you know this is the third complaint in 1 month that I have filed against BJP leaders Sakshi Maharaj, Suresh Rana, Parvesh Verma. This non-stop when the elections start, they remember Lord Ram or they remember the communal cause and they start polarizing the electorate. Do you want another Muzaffarnagar riot to take place? I have filed this complaint also because the Supreme Court order is very clear now that communal politics cannot be allowed during election season. And if you heard the entire video, there were certain chants that were made which also had a religious leaning. So I am within my rights to approach the Election Commission, and I hope that just like Mr. Sakshi Maharaj was acted upon by the Election Commission, including a notice being sent, the same would be done and this person would be prohibited from further campaigning.
You know, sir, the communal card is frequently played by politicians across the political spectrum, especially when elections are around the corner. How hopeful are you that the Election Commission will take, a serious view of your complaint and will take action against the BJP MLA?
Tell you that I'm a tad bit disappointed that the Election Commission hasn't really gone after these communal hate mongers in the manner it should have. It left Mr. Sakshi Maharaj with a mere censure, which was a rap on the knuckles, nothing more than that. But I have also forwarded this complaint to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister, asking them that if their agenda is Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, then they should act against their own party people who are habitual hate mongers and notorious for doing this kind of activities. But the Prime Minister, I find, after demonetization especially, has encouraged these leaders to go out and make communal statements, and he is silent, he doesn't act on them. He in fact gives them Z-grade security and ministerial berths and tickets to contest in the first list itself.
Right. Sir, thanks so much for speaking to us. That was Shehzad Poonawalla, who in fact has filed that complaint with the Election Commission against that hate speech that was made by Mr. Rana during a rally. We'll have to take a very short break right here on India Today. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more news and updates.